gonna lurk in the corner.
What do you want?
Hi, my name is Jesus. I am a beginner nail tech here on Instagram. My username is at 90026nails, and I just wanted to come on here and make a video of the way my nail area looks like. I do nails from home, so hopefully you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, I just want to start off by saying that by all means I'm not at the level I want to be. Each day I do practice my craft, as I like to call it. So I'm gonna just give you guys an overview of what it looks like. This is my room. I'm getting a curtain installed right here, and my rooms aren't finished being painted just because I got lazy. So yeah, so that is my cat. That's one of my cats. That is his bed. This table I purchased from Walmart. This is my second nail table. The first one I got was from IKEA, and that one I really didn't like because it was small. But this one is actually pretty spacious, and it was really cheap. It was only like 60 bucks from Walmart. The chair is from IKEA. This chair was like $7. I'm going to invest in a better chair that supports my back. My lamp here is from Amazon. It's like a touchscreen one, so like it goes up and down, but I like to keep it very simple and plain, so I have like nothing on here. So all I have is a fan and a little air freshener that I put on when I have clients coming over. I have a fake plant here. I have my initials and a little Buddha for good luck and for prosperity. Over here on the top, I have like the quote-unquote essentials I use. And so back here, I have my monomer. I use the Mia Secret liquid monomer, and it's the 32 ounce. I also have my Barbicide, some hand sanitizer spray that I've been meaning to fill up. I have two of my brushes. This is the Pana size 10, and I actually really enjoy this brush. It's pretty pricey, but it's definitely cheaper than the Alpha size 10 brush. And this is a number 8 brush from my local nail supply store. And then I have a little brush for cuticle work and stuff, but it's kind of dried out. I have a rhinestone picker, but I'm investing in a wax pen soon, as well as needlepoint tweezers to pick up stones as well. Here I have some fine sandine bands. Oh my god, I can't speak. Yeah, and I have them in this little jar. I have my Cadia's glue, and you can get this like on Amazon. Here I have my monomer in an acetone bottle just because I used to have a dispenser, but that made my room smell even worse. I have alcohol, acetone, nail polish remover, and then I call this like my prep area, like the dehydrator prep area. I have Mia Secret's bonder. I have IBD's dehydrator, which I really enjoy this one. I have Mia Secret's UV finish gel, which it's all right. And then I have the Zule Bling adhesive, and then I just have like some lotion, cuticle oil, and a dust brush. And then there's my other cat. Anyways, here I have my Melody Susie Scarlet Nail Drill, and it's actually pretty nice. It was pretty inexpensive when I got it, but now it's pretty pricey. In this little compartment here, I have some gloves that I use. I have the cords I use up in here. I have some face masks that I got for free. I have my first practice hand, and then my newest practice hand I got, and then an empty bottle of acetone. And then this is my DIY tripod I use to film my videos. Get crafty in this quarantine. Here I have a mini broom and dustpan to collect all the dust. Below here I just have a trash can that's empty with trash in it. So turning over here, I have my Barbicide container. I'm just too cheap to buy like that glass container for like $24 when I could just use this one, and it's actually really useful. Back here I have my nail lamp, and I have the Melody Susie nail lamp, and I watched a YouTuber, I forgot who, but highly recommended this one and these two, and so I bought them when I first started doing nails. Up here, I have my Mia Secret acrylic powders. I have the clear, which I use a lot actually to encapsulate and just to build anything if the nails are too thin. And then back here, I have the white French tip one. And then I don't know why I bought this one, but it's like the multi-balance pink. I don't even use this one, nor do I use the pink one, but I just have them up there because they all fit in my drawers. Up here, I have some like rhinestones. I got these from Amazon. I'm still trying to see if I should get Swarovski crystals from Sky Beads online. I think that's what they're called, but I'm not working right now. I don't got that money. So that's what I've opted to. And I mean, it works for me. Here I have some like of the nails I did on my practice finger. And this bowl is actually for my water decals. I have some Louis Vuitton ones. You can get these from like Etsy. If I can focus, yeah, you can get those from like Etsy. Majority of these are from Etsy actually. I got these like starlet ones. I have these flowers. I have some butterflies. And some Virgin Marys. And then I have like some random ones. So I also have the Play Bunny ones back here. I don't know where they are. So that's back there. And then here I have like some glitters and some butterflies actually. So those. So yeah, that's in this first level. And this card is actually from Target. And this is actually really cheap. This was like $13. Here I have my buffers, which I need to find a place for them. They're just there for now. I have some files. I keep my used ones so that I can use them when I practice. I don't use these on clients. So these are all the ones I've used, and my new ones are away. Here is all of my implements that I've been needing to disinfect and clean. I've just been really lazy. Here I have some swatch sticks, which I've been meaning to swatch some of my acrylic powders. Acrylic, like a tip cutter, a box for my drill bits I have to fix, and then this cheap base top coat from, I don't know what brand it's called, but it doesn't work for shit. In my second drawer, I have some, these are where I keep my tips, so I have like some natural tips from Amazon. I have some stiletto ones, and then these are the tips I'm currently using, these tips from Amazon as well. So yeah. I also have some nail forms, some double thick nail forms. These are the nail tips from the practice hand I have, and then these right here are the tips I actually really enjoy. These like long stiletto ones. Yeah. And then I have some Mia Secret nail tips coming soon. My current acrylic powders. I have some acrylic powders from Nail House coming in this week. So here I have some this is Mia Secret's cover colors. I have the cover pink. I have cover beige. Where is it? Wait. I have the cover rose, and then I have 3 Valentino products. These were pretty pricey. $44 for these 3, which I mean, in the moment when I had money, it was cute. I have a lustrous pink. And I also have Excite Me. Yeah, Excite Me. And then I also have Prettiest Pink. And then these minis, I actually made them with some chalk I actually had in a Mia Secret clear. Like, I had a big tub of it, and I made like little mini ones. And so yeah, I made these little ones. And then I got these containers from actually Michael's, so I made all of these. And then down here I have some hazardous masks just in case, you know, I ran out. Here I have some towels, and then I have this nail bag filled with gel polish, and I don't personally like working with gel polishes, so you see I keep a bunch of my files, and this was like from months ago. But anyways, I don't use gel polish, but I just have them here. So living in a 1-bedroom apartment, I'm telling you, living in a 1-bedroom apartment is hard because places are small here in LA, so you gotta do what feels right. But yeah, this is it. So yeah. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you guys like what I'm doing so far, feel free to DM me, because I've been answering my DMs like non-stop because I have nothing else to do but schoolwork. But I mean, this is the first to many, and I just hope you guys enjoyed this. And I like watching videos of people's nail areas, because then I get inspired of what products they use. So, but thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.